Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today my brother and I are exploring the backwoods of northern Ontario aboard a pair of Can-Am 700s, tearing through snowmobile trails, logging roads, and enough mud to keep a pressure washer employed for weeks. If you've never ridden the Canadian Shield, imagine someone took a mountain, smashed it with a giant hammer, then filled the gaps with water, rocks, roots, and mosquitoes the size of small helicopters. These Can-Am machines are built for exactly this kind of punishment. Big power, lots of suspension travel, and just enough confidence to convince two grown men that flying through puddles at full throttle is a good idea. We spent the day launching rooster tails of water, bouncing over fallen trees, and discovering that every innocent-looking mud hole is actually a scientific experiment on how dirty an ATV rider can become. Things were going great, until my brother found a hidden hole. And by found it, I mean he buried his quad about 2 feet straight down into the Canadian wilderness. The machine stopped, but the laughing definitely didn't. Luckily, that's what a winch is for. I pulled around front, hooked him up, and after a little mechanical encouragement, we yanked him back to freedom. With the rescue complete, it was back on the throttle and onward into the great Canadian outdoors. Now let's ride.
Got ourselves in a little bit of a jam there, Sparky.